In this video, we are going to tweeze the eyebrows. Tweezing pulls hair out by the root one at a time using tweezers. You may also know this as plucking. It's great for shaping eyebrows or removing remaining hairs after a waxing service. It's also a great alternative for those who can't tolerate the process of waxing, or for those who have been advised to refrain from waxing altogether. A basic tweezing procedure should take about 10 minutes. A complete reshaping of the brows can take up to 15 minutes. Prior to greeting your client, make sure your room is set up properly. When your client arrives, conduct your client consultation according to the guidelines provided in our pre-service video. This includes reviewing the client intake form, discussing any contraindications, and sharing any pros and cons of the tweezing service. Talk with your clients to determine the desired shape of their brows. Do they prefer arched and thin, straight and full, tapered with rounded edges, or is this just a basic cleanup? With your client consultation complete, let's begin the tweezing process. Always wash your hands thoroughly. Invite your client to semi-recline on the table, which has been covered with protective paper under the client's head, neck, and shoulders. Safely secure your client's hair away from her face by providing a disposable headband. Put on gloves before touching your client's skin, and cleanse skin around the brows and remove any makeup present. You can use makeup remover or a mild antiseptic. Using a disposable mascara brush, measure the start point, end point, and correct arch location. Brush the brows upward and isolate longer hairs that need trimming. Now trim those longer hairs with small round-tipped scissors so they are uniform with the natural brow line. Using your middle and forefingers, apply gentle friction to the brow area to warm it and open the pores. This will minimize any discomfort during the tweezing. Next, hold the skin of the brow taut using your middle and forefingers of the hand not holding the tweezers. Begin removing unwanted hairs underneath the brow, closer to the nose, working towards the outer edge. Use a rapid, swift motion to grasp the hair as close to the skin as possible without pinching it, and tweezing the hair in its growth direction. Be sure not to pull the hairs upwards. Brush the hair downwards and remove hairs above the brow that you have already decided to tweeze. Now that one brow is complete, repeat the procedure step by step on the other eyebrow. In the glabella area between the brows, some hairs grow upwards and some grow downwards. Tweeze in the direction of hair growth as you did before. Wipe the treated area with a soothing, non-irritating antiseptic lotion to close the follicles and reduce the risk of infection. Finish by brushing the eyebrows in line. Provide a mirror for your client to admire her new brows. Be sure to thank your client with a smile and invite her to schedule her next appointment to keep those brows looking fabulous.